had a power that could shake you to the core, turned every hurt and heartache into something more. Total Eclipse of the Heart still plays on every radio, reminding us of love we lost and love we'll never know. She sang for the dreamers, the fighters and the lost, gave us strength when we needed it the most. Heaven's gate, but I'm lost down here below. The angels got a new voice, singing soft and low. Bonnie, you left your light shining in our souls. Your music keeps on living, making broken people whole. Heaven's gate, sweet Bonnie, rest in peace. Your legacy of love will never cease. I remember how your spirit lit up every stage, raw and real and fearless in your own special way. You showed the world a woman strong with a heart so true, turn pain into power like only you could do. Now you're walking streets of gold with that same old fire, singing with the greats in the heavenly choir. We thank you for the music that carried us along, for the nights you helped us find where we belong. Though you're gone from this earth, your spirit's here to stay, and every song